What's up, guys? Today is a new day and we are going to be working on the Skyline once again. So today we're just gonna make it look good. I have some cool little bits and pieces that have already been put in and on the car, and we've got one small install that we're gonna do. So I got the new wheels for the car and we put them on, and we didn't really mess with the ride height of the coilovers at all because it actually ended up fitting perfectly. So here are the wheels. These are square G33 wheels. Nice and they've got a good look to them. They're not too loud, but you know, they're clearly something a little bit cooler than stock. I've got two 25/45s wrapped on these guys, Thunder or Ironmans. I use Ironman tires because they work really well on the track. They've got enough grip, they make good smoke, and they last a long time. So in the back here, we had to do some modifying to get these to fit. We rolled and pulled the fenders out so much. We actually cut the inner lip out of here, and though it is not perfect, you can see some little scratches and dings and whatnot. This car is gonna get painted, but yeah, there are the wheels. They look super good. The whole car is completely different now. The back's pretty good as far as ride height goes. I'll probably drop it another inch. And the front is like monster truck height. You can wedge your shoe in there. That's ridiculous. I'm kind of making fun of myself because this car is going to be ignorantly low. But I'm waiting to drop the front until we extend my lower control arms, because that will add quite a bit of camber and make lots of room to get the car lower. Now inside the car, I installed two little goodies, I guess. Got an ISR shift knob and ISR's drift button in the car. These drift buttons are kind of cool, actually. Like, they're I was like way too excited to get this thing in the car. But yeah, it's a cool little deal, and it'll make drifting with the stock e-brake a whole lot easier. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys what we are gonna be installing today, and I'm super excited for this. These are GKtech Ganador knockoffs. So if you don't know what Ganadors are, they are like mirrors. If for the BMW guys, it's kind of like M3 mirrors for an E36. Like, that's all special and rad. Okay, I'm gonna set the camera down. So here are the mirrors. Pretty cool. They feel pretty good. I mean, they're mirrors, so they don't need to be the highest quality stuff. But the finish is nice and pretty shiny, and the mirrors themselves look good. I mean, you can see what's behind you. So we're gonna get to installing them in the car. Alright, so we have to get this piece off first, and to do that we're gonna have to take off the whole door card, and there is 1, 2, 3, and then I think a 4th and a 5th screw on the bottom of the door card. There might be one hidden in here, maybe under the switch panel that conveniently just falls out in my car. Not seeing it. There's a lot of wires in there though. Yeah, so we're gonna get to that. Alright, so we got the door card, I think as free as it's gonna get. It was being held on by the door handle, and hopefully we can finagle it off now. Scary juices. Ew. That's really crusty. Well,
it's that Godzilla nut.
Godzilla nut. Here's the harness for the window. Or for the mirror itself. These little pinch plugs are assholes. There we go. There we go. Just 3 little clips back there. And then now we have 3 apparently Phillips heads on the back of the mirror. Hopefully it should just pop off after that. Then we can replace it with the nice new ones.
Got this hole, exactly what you need. So when your car gets stuck, you grab it by the mirror and you pull it out of the ditch when you're doing the mad toge skids. That's what they do in Japan. You don't need it. Just Danny dunking it off.
Fast.
Hit it off.
Alright, sweet. So there's the old mirror. Oh, we got some weight reduction here.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
Fist holes.
Feel this. It's actually really heavy.
Yeah, it's a couple.
It's a couple.
This one's not as couple. It's like a couple few. Bam, dude, we're live.
Oh, sick. So with these new mirrors, they come with these, I guess, sort of adapter pieces that fit on.
Bam.
Like
fit
that.
Perfectly.
And then they've got, each mirror has 3 short screws that will put this adapter onto the back side of the mirror, and then 3 long screws that will go through your actual door to connect the mirror's, I guess, adapter piece to the car. This way you get a nice looking mirror that should be solid. Pieces are scary. Reconnect. Oh, I guess we should put back our creepy juicy thing.
If there's duct tape, that means someone's been back there before.
Yeah, it doesn't surprise me.
Someone's molested your door panel. Oh yeah, the other ones were motorized and that one's not.
What?
The other ones moved and those ones don't move because you don't plug into the thing.
Yeah, they do. It's that one that doesn't do the good things.
No, in the mirror.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
the
I thought you were
mirror.
talking about the door.
No.
Because talking about messing with it.
Oh shit, dude, is that a caterpillar?
Yeah, sketchy, huh?
Rip little bug boy.
It's not a caterpillar, it's just sketchy shit.
It's some weird interior stuff. Old boy, new boy.
Wow. I'm psyched.
Whoa.
That like totally changes it. Looks awesome.
Yeah, it's got a glory hole.
It does have a glory hole. And it is a glorious hole. Sight.
Went to grandma car to young punk teenager who drives too fast car.
Still drive it like a grandma.
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Alright, so before it gets dark, I just wanted to show you guys the mirrors. You got the driver's side and the passenger side here. They look really nice. Look at them spicy boys. And then I also went ahead and painted the GTR front lip. And I think it looks pretty damn good. Just some rattle can I got from AutoZone. I just walked outside with the can, put it up to the paint, and it seemed to match pretty well. And I think it did a pretty good job of matching the car. I'm pretty psyched. Hopefully in the next video, or the video after that, we'll be extending the front lower control arms so we can add a little bit of camber, try to get those wheels to tuck up more, and then we can really get this thing low. If not that, I think we'll probably do the rear arms. We were hoping to do it today, but just didn't have the time. Some stuff came up and me and Schwab had to do some work. And then pretty soon after that, we'll get a racing seat in there, and get a steering wheel in there, get a front mount on, get a new exhaust, and have this thing pretty ship shape for our drift event that we have at the end of this month. So, sweet. Alright guys, I will see you guys next video. I hope you enjoyed this one, and